This is how bougie I'm gonna be with this hair. I would like to make a toast. I'm trying to be bougie. You can catch you a rich man with this type of hair. All you need is a little champagne glass. Hi guys, so I received hair from Longqi Hair and they sent me 3 bundles of 16 inches Brazilian straight in a 16-inch closure. Make sure you take a look at the card that comes out of the box because it will have discount codes. And I use Cream of Nature color number 643. It's the lightest blonde from Cream of Nature, and I just applied it to the hair. I left my roots dark, and that's pretty much how I achieved this color. It's very simple. I didn't use any toner or anything like that. I just washed with a purple shampoo and then I conditioned. So now let's go ahead and get into installing this unit. The hair installation is going to be pretty simple. So I'm just going to be using a black cap, nothing special. And now that I have the wig on my head, I'm just going to go ahead and create my parting. And I need to go through and flat iron this hair because I plan to do, you know, the blunt type of cut or blunt type of style. I've really been into that look lately, just the more crisp and super straight and blunt cut look. And I wanted to do a light brown this time. I don't know, it's kind of fall and I felt like this would be so cute for fall. So I'm just going to use the Gots to Be glue gel and I'm just going to apply that to my forehead. And you guys, I am doing this method because I typically use the wig clips, but the wig clips are thinning out my hair. I can tell around my perimeter right where they normally would go or be placed whenever I'm installing a wig. I normally just use my wig clips, but it's really starting to thin it out. So I'm back to using my wild growth oil, and I guess I'm just going to start gluing the lace closures to my head and kind of give my edges a break because I can see that they're thinning a little bit. This happens to me every so often, and when this happens, I just go ahead and I get some wild growth oil and I just apply it in the morning and at night to thicken it back up. So that's what I plan on doing. So I'm just tying my scarf on. I let it sit for like maybe 5 minutes and then I took it right back off. And then as you can see, I'm cutting the lace. So this is a method that you can do. Very optional instead of using wig clips. And honestly, if you wanted something that would hold stronger or better or longer, you could use the Ghost Bond glue. I just wanted to use something really temporary because this wasn't going to stay on my head long. So it just depends on what you're trying to achieve. So I am taking the clippers and I'm just going through and I'm cutting, and I'm also using my flat iron to make sure it's even. I decided to do this on my head because the last time my wig was lopsided, even though it turned out cute. But this is what I was going for the first time I tried to do this look, and yeah, I failed, but it turned out cute. So actually I'm more happy with this look than the other look that I attempted. So yeah, I just love the brown. I think the brown is so freaking cute. So I'm just flat ironing and I'm also cutting at the same time, trying to make sure it's even because I want it to be blunt. So yeah, this pretty much completes this tutorial. Look how natural my parting is. It's so natural. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the end of this video. This is the finishing results and I love it. I love this so much. I look like a news reporter. I love it so much. It's so cute. I don't know, like lately I've just really been feeling this sleek look on me. I wanted to try brown tint type of color and I think it turned out cute. I was gonna tone it down because I thought the box that I used, which is Cream of Nature, which you probably saw in the beginning of this video, I thought that it was gonna be lighter than this, but actually it was the perfect shade. I didn't want to get that orangey bronzy type of brown. I really wanted it to be like a natural looking brown. And what I did was, after I bleached the hair, or after I colored the hair, tried to bleach it blonde a little bit, I went ahead, because it had a little bit of the bronzy brown, and so I went ahead and washed the hair. I used a purple shampoo and it pretty much got the bronzy tint out of it, and it really gave it this natural look, so I didn't have to use a toner or anything like that. This pretty much completes this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.